struggle, especially for women. You're working out day after day, and that extra pooch, you know, right around here, that tire or those love handles, decides it's just a little too comfy. It loves you a little too much. It never wants to leave.
Well, in today's Be Well with TCL, reporter Kelly Hansen says it is time to say goodbye. That's because Claris Dermatology in St. Anthony has introduced a new piece of technology to patients that can help you get slim without the gym.
Any pain or discomfort?
Nothing. When you think of ultrasound, you probably don't picture this, but would you believe that ultrasound technology is now helping people lose weight?
Most patients lose 1.5 to 2 inches around the waist with a series of 3 treatments. There's no downtime, no discomfort, no pain. You go right back to work right afterwards.
What is this magic machine, you ask? It's called UltraShape, and at Claris Dermatology in St. Anthony, patients are loving it.
It's painless, and I'm, seeing improvement already. Just even visibly, I saw a little bit of improvement as well.
38-year-old mom of 2, Cindy Wilson, has only had 1 treatment done, but says the inches are coming off, so she's back for her second.
Let me know if you have any pain or discomfort. You really shouldn't feel a whole lot of anything.
Claris dermatologist Dr. Shah says UltraShape uses focused ultrasound to literally destroy the fat cells, which are then carried away by the body.
It's designed for people who have trouble areas, so say maybe a mommy pouch or love handles, and they're working out, they're in shape, but they just can't get rid of these trouble areas.
There's no heat, nothing cold. All you have to do is lie still for 45 minutes.
It delivers a pulse, which you can hear as a little buzz, but you feel very little, if anything, and then that's it.
Dr. Shah says 3 treatments are recommended for the best results, and those can be spaced out every 2 weeks, which makes it quicker than most fat reduction technologies.
It's almost magical. We see them back for their second treatment. They're like, well, my pants already fit better, I'm feeling better, I'm seeing a difference, and by the time they get to the 3rd treatment, they're thrilled.
Years ago, Cindy had liposuction.
This is non-invasive, and I really liked that idea. Liposuction is pretty invasive, and you're down, have lots of downtime. This is no downtime at all.
We also have a little bit more control over where we're going. We can treat smaller areas, tailor in a way that you used to only be able to do with liposuction, but again, this is a non-surgical intervention with no downtime.
Oh, I know that got a lot of ladies' attention at home, Kelly. I'm sure you see something that seems that easy.
Too good to be true.
You come bearing a really big deal associated with this. Before we get to that, though, a little bit more about how this all works.
What I liked about, I just watched what was going on, and it seemed super easy. All she did was lay there. Now, I've seen many treatments happen over the course of working at Twin Cities Live, and there's some that are really cold or kind of uncomfortable, feel like rubber band snapping or something. This felt like nothing, she said. Just a little buzzing, nothing painful. She can go back to work right after this. What I really liked about this was 2 weeks in between each session. So they suggest 3 sessions total to get the full results. That's a month and a half, and you're where you want to be. So you think about it, that's really not a long time at all.
And people are really losing inches?
Yes.
By not changing their diet or exercise or anything, just getting this treatment.
Right, and these are some before and after. So these are actually 3 treatments, a month and a half that you're seeing before and after, and that's pretty incredible. I think that these speak for itself, but yeah, people are really seeing the results. Now, this is new to Claris Dermatology. They're just rolling it out, but Dr. Shah says that he's pretty choosy when it comes to finding what treatments he wants to actually offer his patients. So he did his research. He doesn't want to be the first, he doesn't want to be the last, but he wants to take the time, and he thought this was a great option.
And he said that folks might want to pair this with VeloShape. What's VeloShape?
VeloShape is also another treatment that we actually didn't get to see that day, but he says what it does is it tightens, it smooths the cellulite. So doing that in addition to the UltraShape kind of gets you that package that you really want. Because cellulite, everybody has cellulite. It's on the surface. Even really, really thin people can have cellulite. So if you don't like the look of that, VeloShape may be your other option.
This seems like it's a breakthrough for folks, because especially if you have these troublesome spots where it's like, I have just spent my life on a treadmill, I'm always trying to eat right, but I just can't get rid of that. Maybe some good solutions.
And those trouble spots, when you can't get rid of them, that's when you really fall off the wagon. You stop dieting, you stop exercising, because they're not going away. So maybe this can keep you on track.
Dr. Shah was quick to say that this is not for somebody who needs to lose a lot of weight. This is not a diet solution. This is just to get those last little areas that those crunches or those planks aren't getting.
Right. Hey, tell us about the deal.
Okay, got a great deal here. If you come in and say you saw this on Twin Cities Live, you saw the UltraShape story, you get a consultation for free, and you get your first treatment is $500 off.
Wow.
So that's half the price
savings,
for your first treatment. So get started, see if you like it. Let us know.
Good stuff. Kelly, thank you so much. We posted all the deal details on TwinCitiesLive.com. A big thanks to Claris Dermatology for sponsoring the show today, and more Twin Cities Live coming up when we come back.